In this video, we are going to see how we can develop this calendar that is used to track sales in Tableau. As you can see that we have this filters available. We can check the calendar of any month in any year. So let's say that we want to check the August calendar. Here is for 2025. And you will notice that although we have this shape completely as a calendar, and as we change any month, we can see the updated calendar. It's totally according to the dates. Let's check. As you can see in the calendar, 4th is Thursday. So this is perfect, but you will see some white parts as well. That's because this calendar only indicates the sales made on a daily basis. So when we hover over to any box, you can see the total sales in that particular day or particular week. If you want to see the details of it, just right click and click on view data, and you will see that week or that day sales. So this is very useful in order to analyze the calendar wise sales. So let's get started to build this. Click close, and we will use the same sheet, that is connecting data 3. Just use that. So first of all, we are going to use the date. Obviously for calendar, we will use date multiple times. Let's drag and drop the date to the columns first. And we have 2 years in this data, 2024 and 2025. But these are numbers. The calendar is usually organized in weeks. So what we'll do is just go here in the drop down and just go to more and select weekday. It will only show you the weekdays like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then we also need the row numbers. Like for every week, week number 1, week number 2, week number 3, we need to arrange that in rows. And that's very simple to do. We have to duplicate it. And let's put it in the rows as well. Just hold the control key and then duplicate it. Otherwise it will remove the pill from here. After that, just go to more again and select week numbers. And it will show you all the list of extensive week numbers here. But this is the weeks for entire year. What we want to do is we want to filter it for 1 month only. So for that, we will hold the date filter or date parameter and put it in the filters. And since we are using multiple years as well, first of all, we need to filter it by years, and then we can do it by months. We can also use this month by a year, but I think this is more easy to use. So click next, and we can choose both of them. Click on apply, click OK. After that, if we want to filter it, we can show it on the right. Just right click here, click on show filter, and we can specify whatever we want. So for example, we only want it for 2025. After that, let's put it again to the filters and let's filter it by months. Click on next. And we will use a couple of months here. Let's say that we select all months, click on apply, click OK. And we also want to show this in the filter pane. So just right click on it, click on show filter. And let's say that we only want to see it for September. After that, we can switch it to entire view so that we can see a proper look of it. Now what we want to do is we want to fill it with some data. But we don't want to put the data here because it is related to sales, and we just want to show the date on the calendars. So for that, we want to develop colors as well. Let's drag and drop the sales amount to colors. And as you can see, now it is organized all by colors. So this is how it is only highlighted into filled boxes with different colors. And when we hover over to any one of them, which is not white, it indicates the sales made on that particular day. If you want to customize that further, let's say that we want to put white borders in between so that we can see the boxes, each individual boxes clearly. What we can do is just go to the existing color settings, go to the borders and set it to white. Now we can see the clear borders between all of these dates. And finally, now if we want to show the day number with each calendar box, what we can do is just hold the date and put it in the labels. But you will notice that it converted all of them to years. That's because the marks, as you can see, it is automatically converted to text using the automatic feature. But we will change this back to square and we have it back. The formatting is good, but instead of days, it's showing years. So that's not a problem. We can just go to this filter of years and set it to day. It shows the days like this. And if you want to align it to the top right, what we can do is just go to the labels and set the alignment to the top right like this. From the vertical, we will have selected top right. So this is how you can see the sales made on different days using the calendar type setting. Obviously, if you want to see any other month, it will show you accurately, not just for single month, but for any month you want to see. It indicates all of the sales based on the calendar. So whenever you want to see the data, just right click on it, click on view data, and you can see the detailed report about it. So that's how you can create a beautiful report of calendars in Tableau. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.